This is assignment 2 of 4, our first video, going over arithmetic. We talked about arithmetic in assignment 1. Arithmetic is when you are adding or subtracting the same thing each time as you go down the line. We're not always going to say subtracting, but what you can think of is that you are adding a negative. So this is the same thing as adding a negative right here. Okay, so we can either add a positive number or add a negative as we go down the line. So what we're going to do is now we're going to look at this top sequence that I just started writing on in purple, and we're going to say, how do we get from a 5 to an 8? Any ideas? From a 5 to an 8, add 3. Will that work every single time? Let's check. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, yes. Let's do 11 plus 3, 11 plus 3, 12, 13, 14, yes. 14 plus 3 is 17, yes. So the next question that you're going to look up that is going to be on your answers as you scroll down, what is the D value? D equals 3. And then it says, which of the following is not a way to find the common difference? So this is going back to the second parts of the videos that I was showing you on assignment 1, where we look at two numbers in a row, and we're going to go backwards. If you don't know what you're supposed to add, then you can go backwards and you can subtract. So you're going to start with that last number of your pair, 8, and if you want to find out what we're going to add to go backwards, you're going to do the opposite, which is subtract. 8 subtract 5. Is 8 subtract 5 3? Yes, it is. The next one, we can go down and look at our next pair of numbers. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 will also give us 3. Then we're going to go down to our next pair of numbers. 14 minus 11 will also give you 3. And then we can go down to the one at the very end, and I already used a purple. Let me find a different one right here. 17, and then you go backwards, minus 14 gives you that 3. So remember, if you want to find out what you're adding when you go forward, then you can figure it out by going backwards and subtracting, doing the opposite. So which one of those is not the way that we find D equals 3? So we just look for the one that's not equals to 3. And the answer is going to be 17 minus 5 does not give you a 3. So this one right here, and I did that in a light color so you can't really see it. 17 minus 5 is not equal to 3. So that one's going to be the answer that you